Hi there, I'm Samantha with Koral K Swap. Today, we're going to explore the widespread issue of overconsumption and introduce our solution using circular economy practices via clothing swaps. For starters, sustainability is more than an environmental problem. It is a human problem. Sustainable products and thrift shopping are both steps in the right direction, but they are not the final answer. We must move beyond glorifying consumption in any form and embrace a circular economy that prioritizes reuse and mindful consumption. Let's talk about the illusion of sustainability. You've likely heard that thrifting is the new hip way to be sustainable. While buying secondhand is a better choice than purchasing new, the glorification of thrifting often misses the mark. This approach might unintentionally fuel the habits of compulsive shoppers, thereby extending the cycle of excessive consumption. Rather than addressing the core issue, we're simply redirecting it. Stores also sometimes become overwhelmed with donations, leading to an excess that often ends up in landfills or shipped overseas, contributing to global waste. Now that we've seen how thrifting can sometimes perpetuate rather than alleviate the problem, let's delve deeper into the underlying consumer psychology that drives our consumption patterns and exacerbates overconsumption. Consumer psychology and overconsumption. Understanding the principles that drive our buying behavior is crucial. We are conditioned to seek novelty and variety, often equating material possessions with happiness and success. This mindset fuels overconsumption and the insatiable need to acquire more, even with secondhand goods. The cycle of buying and disposing is driven by a consumer culture that values quantity over quality and instant gratification over long-term sustainability. So, how do we address this issue? The answer lies in adopting a circular economy, a sustainable model that emphasizes reusing, recycling, and upcycling, shifting away from the typical retail cycle of buy, use, and discard. At Koral K Swap, we are pioneering a shared retail experience centered around secondhand clothing utilization. Our mission is to foster a culture of mindful consumption, empowering consumers to make conscious choices aligned with their values. The key to reducing textile waste is not just in providing sustainable options, but in changing consumer habits. By promoting clothing swaps, we extend the lifespan of garments, giving them a new life instead of ending up in landfills. This practice not only reduces waste, but also helps consumers refresh their wardrobes without spending money, making sustainable fashion accessible to all. Building a community. Our approach is mission-driven, focusing on building strong relationships with our members, partners, and the public. As a nonprofit, Koral K Swap can prioritize its mission of promoting sustainability and reducing textile waste without the pressure of maximizing profits. This alignment ensures that we remain focused on our core values and societal impact, fostering long-term loyalty and support. How can you help? To continue this vital work, we need your support. Your donations will help us expand our clothing swap events, launch our brick-and-mortar location, and spread the message of mindful consumption through community. By contributing, you're not just supporting a nonprofit, you're becoming part of a movement that seeks to create a sustainable future for fashion. Together, we can create a future where fashion is not a threat to our planet, but a testament to our commitment to sustainability.